Have you ever looked at your bank account and felt that sinking feeling? Like no matter how much you earn, your money just vanishes. Rent, bills, student loans, it's an endless cycle. But what if you could break free? Imagine waking up to multiple streams of halal income, money flowing in while you sleep. No riba, no gambling, no shady business. That's not just a dream, it's the reality for those who know the right side hustles. Today, I'll show you 10 halal side hustles that could make you up to $10,000 a month, without compromising your values. Some of these require no experience, while others could replace your 9 to 5 completely. But here's the catch. Most people never start. They hesitate, overthink, let opportunities slip away. Don't be that person. Because Hustle No 10, it might just change your financial future forever. Let's begin. Why you need a halal side hustle. The sad reality, most jobs alone won't make you wealthy. You work for someone else's dream, trading time for money. And in today's economy, relying on just one income stream. That's a gamble you can't afford to take. It's time to think bigger. Let's start with hustle number 1. 1. Selling digital products, passive halal income. Imagine waking up to an email. You've made a sale. No trading hours for dollars, just a digital product you created once, like Islamic calligraphy, budgeting templates, or an ebook, being sold again and again. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad handle everything. No inventory, no shipping, just pure halal passive income. But what if you want a business that pays instantly? The next one might be for you. 2. Freelancing. Use your skills, get paid globally. Can you write, edit videos, code, design? Businesses are willing to pay you right now. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork let you connect with clients worldwide. And the best part, you set your own rates. Some freelancers make over $10,000 a month, on their own terms. And no, you don't need a degree. If you can type, you can make money. 3. Print on demand, sell without inventory. Want to sell t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without holding stock? With print on demand, you upload a design, and companies like Printful or Teespring do the rest: printing, shipping, and customer service. But maybe you want something that doesn't involve selling products. The next one might be perfect for you. 4. Arabic calligraphy and custom art, high-ticket creativity. If you have artistic skills, Islamic calligraphy and custom art are in high demand. Personalized wall art, wedding nameplates, and Quranic verses beautifully framed. People pay hundreds for these. Instagram, Etsy, or local masjids can be great places to sell. But what if you're not artistic? The next side hustle is something anyone can do. 5. Online tutoring. Teach what you know. Do you speak Arabic? Know Quranic tajweed? Excel at math? Parents are desperate to find good tutors, and online tutoring platforms make it easy to start. Charge $30, $50, or even $100 per session, especially for specialized subjects like Islamic studies or coding. And no, you don't need a PhD. If you've mastered a subject, you can teach it. 6. Affiliate marketing. Earn by recommending. Every time someone buys a product through your link, you get paid. Amazon, halal finance apps, and even Islamic courses offer affiliate programs. Start a blog, TikTok, or faceless YouTube channel like this one and get paid for sharing valuable resources. But if you want something that feels more like a real business, check out the next hustle. 7. Amazon KDP, self-publish and earn royalties. Have knowledge to share. Write an ebook on Islamic finance, personal development, or even halal business ideas. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing lets you publish for free and earn passive income forever. Some authors make $5,000 to $20,000 per month, just from books. 8. Dropshipping, sell without stock, the halal way. Yes, dropshipping can be halal, if done ethically. Instead of random products, focus on halal items. Islamic home decor, modest fashion, or eco-friendly goods. Find a supplier, set up an online store, and let them handle shipping. But if you want a hustle that pays daily, the next one is a game changer. 9. Local service business, high profit, low investment. Window cleaning, halal meal prep, pressure washing, simple services people need every day. Example, a halal meal delivery service for busy Muslim professionals. Just 20 customers a week? That's $5,000 a month or more. And no, you don't need a fancy website, a simple Instagram page works. 10. Real estate wholesaling. Make $5,000 to $10,000 per deal. This one's for those who want big money. Wholesaling is finding distressed properties, getting them under contract, and flipping the contract to an investor for a quick profit. No buying houses, no fixing anything, just pure halal deal-making. Imagine where you'd be 1 year from now if you started today. Now you have 10 halal ways to build wealth, but knowledge without action, it's worthless. Which side hustle excites you the most? Drop a comment below, I'll help you get started. And if you're serious about achieving halal financial freedom, subscribe now. Your journey starts today.